Unlock a world unseen and transform ordinary moments into cinematic masterpieces with the Sony A7 IV's incredible slow-motion capabilities. First, power on your A7 IV and rotate the mode dial to movie mode. This prepares the camera specifically for video recording. Next, navigate to the shooting menu while it's often marked with a camera icon. From there, select image quality, record. Now, choose your file format for the highest quality slow motion. I recommend using XAVCS I4K. This intraframe codec preserves maximum detail, crucial for slow motion. Head down to record setting. Here's where the magic happens. Select a frame rate that's higher than your playback frame rate for silky smooth slow motion. I recommend 120p. Before you start filming, jump into the picture profile menu to dial in the color slot. 3 will give you the most flexibility in post-production. Ensure your focus mode is set to continuous autofocus or AFC. This will keep your subject sharp, especially important for moving subjects in slow motion. Finally, compose your shot and hit the record button. Remember to expose properly for your scene. Now you can slow it down in post. In your editing software, simply import your footage and reduce the playback speed. Voila! Reveal hidden details and add an artistic flair to your video projects. Experiment with different subjects and frame rates to unlock the full potential of slow motion with your Sony A7 IV. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.